In a city full of stories, four paths converge. Meet Alex, the explorer, always seeking new horizons. Maya, the visionary artist, transforming imagination into reality. Leo, the gadget guru, solving problems with innovation. And Zara, the adventure seeker, pushing boundaries with every step. Together, they embark on a journey to inspire and create. Join us on this adventure, where anything is possible.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm going to be introducing you to one of the biggest tools that I've just discovered. Now, the name of this tool is Lovart. Why is this tool so special? Like, it's so cool that it has three major things that actually would help you to design faster. One is you no longer have to scan the whole internet looking for a particular image to use. You can use it to generate realistic image. You can also use this to generate mind-blowing video. You can also use it to generate an app idea, a landing page. You can use it to generate a website. Like, this is one of the coolest AI tools that I've seen. I've already keyed a prompt here that would help us use it to generate a video. Now, here is the prompt: create an immersive animated video concept that begins with a text to image character generation and evolves into a full text to video storyboard. Start by designing a set of 3 to 5 original characters. We want to design the image first, then use the image to convert it to video. Now you can design an image, then convert that same image to video. Now, let me give you an instance. Assuming you want to create an image of somebody that is kind of discussing in the marketplace and you want to make a video out of that image, you can also use this tool to create that concept. It's crazy. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit start button. One thing about this tool is that it will think first, understand your prompts, then start generating the images first, because I've already asked it to do text to image, then image to video. And one thing with the images is that it's so realistic, you won't even know that it was created with AI. That's just one cool thing about it. I recently shipped a case study in my portfolio and I used the image. All the images that I used on that case study was generated with this tool. Now watch it do the magic. So it has done the execution. I'm going to start from here. It explains, just summarize to understand what you're trying to create. I'm going to be giving out 10 invitation code to the people that are going to watch this video to the end. Now, this is the image that it has created for us. So remember, this is based on the prompt that I actually gave it to do, and all the images has been generated. Now it's going to turn this image to video. Then if you want to add an image generator, you just go to image generator, the video generator, and also the frame. You can also import images. You can write text, rectangle, eclipse, brush, pen tool. One cool thing about this also is that here, this section, you can use it to design anything you want. It's just a full canvas. Look at it. There's a full canvas you can use. Click here to join the Discord community. And if you want to use this to create a video, you can use it to create so many videos that you can post on YouTube and get it monetized. Use it to tell a story. It's definitely going to be worth it. The only thing you just need to do is just to know how to prompt it to give you what you want. And it's not even complicated. You can use their templates. There is so many templates that you can use online. So this is a video that I created, and these are some of the things that has been designed with this. This is just an image that has been designed with this tool. What people are designing with it is crazy. Look at how real this is. You hardly tell that it's just done with AI, trust me. So now I'm going to go back to what we are creating and see how far we've gone. It's still generating some of so it has done the image generation, and we are still working on the video execution. So when this thing is actually set, I'm definitely going to come right back and explain what actually happened. So when you look at this place, you will see the set of storyboards that it has created for us. Now here are all the things that it has done. You will see all of these things transform into a video. It's crazy. Now look at it, look at this, look at this. This is the background and everything. This is the name it generated for us. So we're going to look at how far it has gone. It's now generating the layout of this video. So let's just wait and see what it comes out with. So now you can see that it has finished generating the storyboard. Now look at what the storyboard looks like from this slide. Shot 5, shot 6, shot 7, shot 8. Kids are definitely going to love this. So if you're hoping to create anything on kids channel, you're definitely going to use this prompt, this exact prompt. I'm going to copy it and paste it on the description box so you can erase it to create anything you want on this same platform. Now look at the storyboard. Take a look at the storyboard. After you finish creating the storyboard, you now went ahead to generate all the shirts that is going to be on the video. These the short videos that are going to be, this is for Zara, this is for Leo, this is for Maya, this is for Alex, and this is for the City Sky liner. Now it's also went ahead to create the group meeting, the hand unit. So if I go ahead and play this, you will see what happens. And the coolest thing is that it's also generated the voice for us, and also the adventure. Now this is the end. So here you will see what has been completed, all the things that it did for us. I'm going to go ahead and play this video. So going to go ahead and expand that and play
in a
the
city
video.
full of stories,
Let's see
four
what
paths
happens.
converge.
Wow.
Meet Alex, the explorer, always seeking new horizons. Maya, the visionary artist, transforming imagination into reality. Leo, the gadget guru, solving problems with innovation. And Zara, the adventure seeker, pushing boundaries with every step. Together they embark on a journey to inspire and create. Join us on this adventure, where anything is possible.
So that is the end of the video that was generated with AI. You can actually use this and publish it on YouTube and make money from it. The next thing I'm going to use this to create is an app idea. Now let's say we want to generate an app idea that we couldn't find on Pinterest or Behance or Dribble. Let's just tell this AI to generate this thing for us so we can actually lift our inspiration from that. Now I'm keying in a prompt that said design the home screen of a modern minimalistic tax management app for professionals. The layout should prioritize clarity and quick access to key functions like today's tax, upcoming deadlines, and a quick add-ons button. Include a top sections with a current date and a greeting. Now I'm going to go ahead and just hit enter and see what it gets for us. And now it's done with the creation of the app inspiration. So tax management app inspiration, remember, is an inspiration, so it's not done expected to just be so well detailed and all that. So here you see the design meeting, the review, sales, and all those stuff. Here you can actually create it. And remember what we said, just create a home screen for us. So you can use this and tweak it, add the status bars, add the footer icon just to display and tell it to show, okay, these are the icons that you need to display on the footers, and this is what you don't need to display. So I'm going to go ahead and make some adjustments on this design so we can actually refine this design, because you can actually use Lovart to make a huge modification to anything that it generates for you. So here we're just going to add calendar view, data analytics page, charts, example, donor charts for weekly task completion rates, line graph for daily task trends. So I'm just going to go ahead and just hit enter. So here you can see the smart plan, knowledge, ChatGPT image, and end. So here you can also see I'll continue with the next step in our plan to create additional UI screens for the tax management app. So it's just updating you on what is happening. So you're going to just pay attention to this. Now it has also come up with the global style generation. So now it just is creating the image for us. So we just have to wait and see what happens. So here you can see that the task has been completed, the image has been generated for us and everything. You can actually take inspiration from this and just use it in Figma to design what you want to design. So this can actually give you an insight on how you're going to structure your calendar, on how you're going to structure the completed tasks, what is remaining overdue task, and even the graph, how you're going to design it. So you're just going to use this to generate a bunch of ideas that can guide you on how you're going to design this app that you're going to design. Any kind of app you want to design, you can just come here and key in the prompts and it will just give you an insight on what it should look like. So this is just going to be a way to boycott the loads of time that would have taken tons of meeting, brainstorming on what or how this is going to actually look. You can just come here and use the AI to prompt it, and it will give you a definite direction on how and best way to approach this. So now we have a new prompt that we will use to create something else. So design a modern set of trainer sneakers that blends innovation, comfort, and style. The sneakers should reflect a unique visual identity. This could be athletic, streetwear inspired, futuristic, or lifestyle oriented. So we're going to go ahead and just send in this prompt and see what happens. We're going to wait for it to finish executing all of these prompts and see what it gives us. So I've asked this AI to design a modern set of trainer sneakers that blends innovations, comfort, and style. The sneakers should reflect a unique visual identity. Now look at what it did design. The first look at the designs that we generated from that, and we're about turning this into a video concept. We just want to use this to generate an ad that is promoting this sneaker brand. Here it has done the execution plan, generated all the images that we need to use. Look at the style model and the execution plan, and here are some of the sneakers that it generated for us. Here is the person wearing the sneakers. This is the image here, and the voice generations, the post X commercials, and this is just going to give us a full commercial video. So at the end of the day, it's going to combine all of these shirts. Look at it. If you play the shirt, you see the video of how this actually works. Then if you also play this one, you will see what happens at the end of the day. So this video you're seeing here was actually transformed from this image. So this also is something that this is the person running this image. This video was crafted from this image. So here you will see the coordination, the video, the person's portion, and all the stuff. So you can use it to create app ideas. You can use it to generate image for your designs. You can also use it to create videos, any kind of videos that you want to create. All you need to do is just go ahead and join the Lovart waitlist and look out for the invitation code that I'm going to drop in the description box. Use it to generate anything. So here you can see the voice generation and all of that. Remember, Lovart is still in the beta mode, and to be honest, I can't wait to see what you create with this. So I'm going to turn this particular image into a poster. So all I need to just do is to add this to the chart and just key in my prompt, and it will generate the poster for me. So all I need to do is just to add this to the chart, and here I'm just going to come here and key in my prompt, and here I've already instructed this to create a high-end poster art from this shoe image. Style it like a Nike or Adidas streetwear campaign, bold, modern, and edgy. Use dynamic lighting, gritty, urban textures like gravity, walls, or West Street. So it's just me going into details to tell it how I want the ad or the posters to look. So I'm just going to go ahead and just hit send and see the magic it creates for us. So I'm just going to hit send, and we're going to wait and see what it creates for us. So now it is done creating our poster. So you can see the first one and the second one. So the first one said run your word, and the second one said on the street, which is inside the prompt that we initially gave it to. And yeah, you can see it here, on the street and run the word. So that is how you can actually use this and prompt it to create a poster for you. And you can also use it to generate videos, and you can use it to generate anything, image. You can also use it to generate app ideas, and trust me, you won't even regret using Lovart. So go to Lovart.ai to join their waitlist. I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.